And let's check for one-hand opening. Okay, so I just received this today. This is the Lenovo Ideapad 5 14-inch Ryzen 7 4700U processor. The box is in good shape. There's no damage to the box. But kind of concerning is that something is freely moving around inside. Have a listen. So I hope that's not the laptop itself. Maybe it's just the power brick, because that would be concerning, not just from tilting it like this, but through multiple days of the shipping process. I've never had a laptop that anything was moving around freely inside the box before. Okay, so right off the bat, let's open this up and make sure it's not damaged. Get this open. And we can see that, yeah, the laptop seems protected well by the foam. It looks like right in here, it was the power brick that was sliding back and forth there. So feel better about that. Put that aside. All right, let's get this thing out of here. There we go. We have the setup guide. Whatever. All right, there we have it. This is the graphite gray version. Here is the 65-watt USB power brick. Quite small, quite light. Okay, let's get down to business. Just to give a size comparison to the 14-inch Ultrabook HP that it's replacing, and it's the same size screen. So it is thinner, fair bit smaller, and it's 25% lighter. On the left side of the machine, we have the USB-C, which is also the charging port and display port, HDMI, and audio jack. And on the right side, we have the SD card slot, full-size SD card slot, and two USB 3.1s. And let's check for one-hand opening. Okay, let's check for one-handed opening. No problem. Gotta love the matte screen. My first laptop that I ever had a matte screen. Nice to have a matte screen again. Let's take a look at the keyboard area. Fairly large trackpad, relatively speaking. We have speakers on the top deck, left and right of the keyboard. And just a reminder again,
sticker placement. The stickers between the 4000 series and the Radeon graphics is crooked.
The trackpad has a nice smooth feeling. I don't believe it's a glass trackpad, it is plastic, but it is very smooth, almost as smooth as my glass trackpad on a previous laptop. It does have a little bit of a looseness feeling on the right side, so if I tap lightly, there's nothing here. But as I go over here, it's a little bit loose. We do have a privacy shutter for the webcam, just so those hackers can't see what I'm up to. Let's do the initial boot up. There we go.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
All right, well, we made it through the setup process and we've made it to the desktop. So this is just a quick unboxing and initial look at it. I will do a more detailed review, so stay tuned for that. Please subscribe so you get notified of that when that drops.